Beyond the edge of the mapped world lies the island of Aurelia, a place where the sand is made of gold dust and the trees grow glowing emeralds. Whoever reaches it never has to work another day in their life. But there is a reason almost everyone is still poor. To get to the island, you must cross the Strait of Voices, and it is a graveyard. It wasn't giant waves that destroyed these massive ships. It wasn't sea monsters with sharp teeth. It was something much more dangerous. It was the Voices. Enter Arius, a smart, young sailor with a sturdy, modest ship. He sailed into the strait alongside a flashy, arrogant captain who had a ship painted in bright gold. Suddenly, the water turned bright pink. Beautiful, glowing mermaids, the Sirens, appeared on the rocks. They sang sweet songs of shortcuts. Turn left, they sang. Take the shortcut. You will be rich by tomorrow. The flashy captain's eyes widened with greed. He violently turned his wheel to the left, chasing the fast wealth. But the golden path was an illusion. His shiny ship slammed into hidden rocks and sank instantly. The Sirens laughed and vanished. Arius kept sailing straight, but the strait wasn't done with him. The beautiful pink lights vanished. The sky turned pitch black. Out of the fog emerged the phantoms, dark, smoky ghosts that swirled around the ships. They didn't sing, they whispered terror into the sailors' ears. The ship is sinking, they whispered. You will lose everything. Turn back. Sell your cargo. Another captain nearby panicked, abandoned his wheel, and jumped into the freezing water out of pure fear. He was never seen again. How did Arius survive the greed of the Sirens and the terror of the phantoms? He knew his biggest enemy wasn't the ocean. It was his own emotions. Before he even entered the strait, Arius had poured thick wax into his ears to block out the noise. He took a heavy rope and tied his own hands to the steering wheel. Arius's hands gripping the wheel tightly. The ropes stretch and tighten, showing strength. Rain dripping off his knuckles. Arius reached the Golden Island, not because he had the fastest ship, but because he had the strongest mind. And this is exactly how the financial markets work. The Strait of Voices is the stock market and crypto world. The beautiful Sirens? They are the hype. The fake gurus on social media promising you a 1,000% return on a garbage coin. They trigger your FOMO, fear of missing out. And those terrifying phantoms? They are the news media and market crashes. They spread FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. They scream that the economy is ending, causing emotional investors to panic sell their assets at a massive loss. If you listen to the noise, you will crash. You must act like Arius. Pour wax in your ears by ignoring daily news. Tie yourself to the wheel by using a strategy like DCA, dollar cost averaging. Investing a set amount every month, no matter what the market is doing. Lock your eyes on the compass of your long-term goals. Investing isn't a test of intelligence, it's a test of emotional control. Secure your mind, and the island is yours. Control your mind, and you control your future. If this story changed the way you see money, like the video, and subscribe for more powerful stories like this, because the next one might change your life.